Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to Economics online classes. In the previous class we studied regarding the differences between the telephone interview, personal interview and mailed questionnaire. Let us see the one more method of collecting the data, that is through the survey we can collect the data and samples you can collect the data. Thus, let us see the census survey method. It is one of the best method of collecting the data. So, in India we are using most of the cases we use census survey to collect the data regarding the population, birth rate, death rate, or regarding the literacy and regarding the employment, life expectancy, size of population. All these things we are going to collect through the census method. So, here there are two methods of collecting data. One is census survey method, other one is sample survey method. There are two methods of collecting the data. Modes of collection you studied. So, that is through the telephone you can collect the information, personal interview you can collect the information, or through the mailing questionnaire you can collect the information. So, behind this there is some methods to collect the data. So, if you are going to take the whole country population data, it is unable to collect from the phone calls, personal interview or through the mailing questionnaire. During this time, research were conducted through the two methods said to be the census survey method and sample survey method. Let us see what is this census and census survey method. It is the best method to collect the data. So, there are some organizations are there and some investigation departments are there. They were going to sort out these results after collecting the information. So, let us see what is this census means first. So, census is nothing but students, if data are collected from the each and every unit of population, then it is said to be the census survey method. If the data collected from each and every unit of population, data collected from each and every unit of population, data collected from each and every unit of population is said to be the census survey method. Each and every unit of population, each and every unit it is going to concentrate. Then only you can take the exact information regarding the problems. Unit of population, then it is said to be the census. So, what about the census in India? So, as we all know that census carried out once in 10 years. As we all know that census carried out once in 10 years. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಗಣತಿ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು 10 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತದೆ. Census carried out once in 10 years. Carried out once in 10 years. It is very important students. For 1 mark, census carried out once in dash years. Census carried out once in 10 years. 10 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ಗಣತಿ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತದೆ. So, once in 10 years they are going to collect the information. How they are going to collect the data? So, how the data are collected means, here house to house enquiry is carried out. House to house enquiry, each home to home, ಮನೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಅವರು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌಸ್ ಟು ಹೌಸ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ, ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಪ್ರತಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಗಣತಿ ಆಗುವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2020ಯ ಗಣತಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಸಲ. During the COVID-19 lockdown time, teachers, primary teachers, they are coming to your home and collecting the information regarding how many members are there in family, how many are literates, how many illiterates, how many are school going, how many working, what is your monthly income. everything, each and every information collected from the each and every unit of population, means house to house inquiry they are going to carry out. Thus it is said to be the census. For what purpose? There is some purpose to collect this information, right? Yes, exactly. They are going to collect the information to know the economic level of the person, standard of living of the people, and to see the level of GDP and level of education, employment level, growth level, overall economic development of the country. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗಣತಿ? ದೇಶದ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವುದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿರ್ಧಾರವಾಗಿದೆ? ದೇಶದ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಯಾವುದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಜನರು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಗುಡ್, when their standard of living is high, GDP growth rate is high, employment growth rate is high, then only you can say our country is well developed. Why our country is in backward country or less developed country? It is because of several problems in our economy. Thus, see students, census survey method is one of the best method to collect the information from each and every unit of population. So, how they are going to collect the data? What are the base of collecting the data? Data are collected on the basis of census. So, each and every house they are going to visit and they are collecting the information regarding information data collected on this information. Students, see here properly. Data collected regarding birth rate, ಜನನ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ, ಬರ್ತ್ ರೇಟ್, ಡೆತ್ ರೇಟ್, ಮರಣ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಬರ್ತ್ ರೇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಜನನ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ, ಡೆತ್ ರೇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮರಣ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ, birth rate, death rate, not only this one, employment level, literacy, ಸಾಕ್ಷರತೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್. ಲಿಟರೆಸಿ, ಸಾಕ್ಷರತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಕ್ಷರ ಕಲಿತವರು, ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಉಳ್ಳವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲದವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದೆನ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಉದ್ಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಇದರಿಂದ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಉದ್ಯೋಗ, and regarding not only employment, life expectancy, ಜೀವಿತಾವಧಿ, life expectancy ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ, ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಬದುಕ್ತಾನೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವುದನ್ನು ಜೀವಿತ ಅವಧಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಜೀವಿತಾವಧಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಮಯ ಬದುಕಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 43 years were there. ನಮಗೆ 1947 ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಬರುವ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ರೇಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಲೋ ರೇಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್, so now at present you can see it is rose to life expectancy rate rose to 69 years. 69 years. It is because of medical facilities and other facilities. All these data we are saying, earlier it was very less, now life expectancy rate rose to 69 years. How we can make out this? It is through the census. The census survey method is the best method to collect the data. So next one, regarding the size of population. Size of population, census is very essential to collect the information regarding the population. ಜನಗಣತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಜನಸಂದಣಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, size of population. ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯ ಕುರಿತಾಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಇದೆ. In some regions population per thousand, how many males, how many females. Education per male, female, separately they are going to take the information. Employment, male, female, they were going to collect the information. Literacy, male, female, what is the literacy rate, and death rate and birth rate in the particular region. They were going to collect the each and every this information from the each and every unit of population. Thus data are collected on birth rate, death rate, literacy, employment, life expectancy and size of population. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳುವುದಾದರೆ ಜನನ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ, ಮರಣ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ, ಸಾಕ್ಷರತೆ, ಉದ್ಯೋಗ, ಜೀವಿತಾವಧಿ ಮತ್ತು ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯ ಕುರಿತಾದ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕಲೆ ಹಾಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಕು? Census survey method is the best method to collect the data. So it is said to be the method of complete enumeration. Census survey method is also known as method of complete enumeration. Why it is said to be the method of complete enumeration? Means complete information you can get from the census method. Thus it is said to be the method of complete enumeration. Complete enumeration. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಕಲೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟನ್ನು ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. The census survey method is the best method of collecting data. It is census conducted once in 10 years in India. So recent census, you know that now 2020 census is this already done, but result yet to announce. We are taking the recent census as 2011 census. Last census conducted in India is 2011. According to this 2011 census, population of India is 121 crores. 121 crores. Now it is crossed the 135 crores. So result yet to analyze. The census conducted once in 10 years. So here I said it is the method of complete enumeration. Why the census survey method is said to be the method of complete enumeration means here data are collected from the each and every unit of population. So recent census conducted in India is 2011 census. According to this census, the population of India is 121 crores, point something is there and not exactly approximately. Thus census gives the complete idea or complete picture about the real economy and economic conditions of a country. So next see who is going to collect the information. After collecting, who is going to sort out the result under the census. So after collecting the result, there is something to analyze the result. Before that they are going to present the result. Organization is required. Organizing the data means arranging the data in the proper manner. After arranging that proper manner, they are going to present the data. So after the collected information is presenting in the tabular, before going to present this in the tabular form or through the pie chart or through the any diagrammatic representation, before that these data were published by the RGI. RGI means Register General of India. Register General of India. So in the statistical department there is RGI, Register General of India. He is going to publish the census result. So after publishing these census results, one can see what is the condition of India regarding the birth rate, death rate, life expectancy, literacy, employment, then regarding the size of population. So complete enumeration you can see in this census survey method. Thus it is said to be the best method of collecting data under the statistical observation. So see here RGI is very important for 1 mark. RGI, expand RGI means Register General of India. Register General of India. One more is there, NSSO. NSSO, National Sample Survey Organization. NSSO means National Sample Survey Organization. This organization is also going to collect the data through the sample survey. So now we studied what is census method. NSSO is the one of the organization. It is going to collect the information through the samples. By taking the samples, survey is conducted. That is said to be the sample survey method of collecting the data. So in the next class we are going to study how the sample survey method we are using to collect the data. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.